Good evening, everyone. This is On. This content demonstrates and develops a UDP Pinger program that I have created. So let's start the demonstration. First, server. We will run the server. Yeah, it's ready to serve. It's running. And then the client server is like you can see. I'll run this first for client server. Yeah, here it's running. You can see the statistics and data that the UDP Pinger developed. Let's move on. So here is the import time socket that must be used. Then I assign a random server port, which is 12,000. This is my IP address, and that I use to create the UDP socket, and then use the soccergram functions to functions and name it as socket client, and set the timeout for client socket for 1 second, which means the client will wait for 1 second to get a reply from the server. This keeps track the sequence number and the code that creates a list to store the values. For loop is used to loop the code for over 10 times. Yeah, and it's over 10 times. Create message and name as string print and the sequence number. Yeah. As the server is designed for 30% of the client packets lost, the client will face some timeout error. To solve this problem, I use try and except function. Except function, the try function block skips to accept and run the message if the client encounters a problem. Time will be denoted here. Time will be denoted and using dot time function, and then the message will send to the server, and it will stored in the modified message here. Time will be denoted again, and elapse function where here elapse functions, it's to calculate the difference between the round trip time, which is RTT of the packet from the start to the end. So, and then sequence number will be incremented by 1 here in order for the ping to has the next sequence number. And the .elap function, the elap function will calculate from append function will store every value and then print the start time, print return time, and the RTT that elapsed. So sequence number will be incremented by 1 in order the ping to has the next sequence number here. Yeah, and then to accept timeout to receive from the server, and it will run this block of the code again. So print the message ping sequence number plus request timeout. For the extension challenge, I calculated the average using the sum of RTT and then divided it by the length of RTT, and then print the maximum, minimum, average, and the packet loss rate in percentage. Yeah, here are the as a statistics shows. Yeah, and then the socket is closed. Okay. Thank you.